Alright guys, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take you guys out in the field with me today. We're actually heading east on the 215. We're going to head out to Cadence. There's a brand new community that they are building right now. It's called Ashwood by Woodside Homes. So as you can see, we're heading down the 215 here, and this is eventually going to turn into Lake Las Vegas. We're going to keep going east until we actually hit Cadence. So we just got off the freeway, and I'm on Lake Mead Parkway, and right over here we actually had the Fiesta Casino. They actually knocked that down. I believe the city is doing like some sort of big recreational park or something like that. All right, so right off here to the left, this is where we have Target, Sprouts, Ross, Marshalls, Big Lots, Supercut. So as we keep driving down, you're gonna have a hospital right over here to your left hand side. Now we're coming up on a street called Water Street here. If you go up this street right here, this is where we have the Water Street District. This is where the courthouse is for the city of Henderson. Off to the left, we do have a hospital right here. And we're gonna be coming up to Boulder Highway. Now Boulder Highway, this actually takes you all the way up to Boulder City if you turn right. If you turn left, keep going up to Boulder Highway, it's gonna take you towards the end of the strip of Fremont. So we're gonna go across a couple lights here, and off to the left, we're gonna have that master plan community of Cadence. Now this is gonna be more of an industrial area over here, okay? You do have a Walmart right over here. Now what you're gonna notice as we drive down this way, right, towards Lake Mead, off to the right, you're gonna have a bunch of homes that were built in the early 60s. So homes in this price range are going to go around $350,000 to $400,000 right now. But remember, these things are like 60, 70 years old, right? Built back in the 60s. I don't know if my math is correct or not, but... And off to the left is that new master plan community of Cadence. So we're going to be coming up on it here shortly, but I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. I don't know if you guys can see the homes off to my right as far as how they were built. These homes do not have any type of HOAs. They are not in a master plan community. So I can tell you right now, as far as from like electrical, plumbing, efficiency for the home, it's probably not as well as a newer home. So here we're gonna take a look at Cadence right over here off to the north side. Interesting. Must be somebody with real money. Wow. I don't know who that was, but I'm sure they had a lot of money. Again, you can see all the houses here. Alright guys, so now we are pulling up into this beautiful master plan community of Cadence. And Cadence, believe it or not, there's tons of parks, there's tons of walking path. Love the way it's designed. Take a look at this right here. You can literally see the whole valley from right here. But I love this sign. It all starts here. Alright guys, welcome to Ashwood by Woodside Homes. Located here in the city of Henderson, in this beautiful master plan community of Cadence. Now as you can see, they have 4 models that they're building right now to showcase. Now this community is not open yet. So we always talk about this. If you want the best deal, you want to be the first person to get in to ride that wave of equity. Here it looks like they've already impacted the dirt. Looks like they're framing everything up for pour the concrete here, which is really cool. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. You got the cables for the post-tension slabs. Over here, they've already laid the concrete. Let me show you the neighborhood real quick. So these are the lots. Now this road right in back of me is actually Sunset, and it just keeps going like this, and it kind of curves around. So it heads east, but then it starts to curve out to southeast. Now I don't have too much information on these properties because I contacted corporate and they're not too sure as far as pricing just yet. And these lots look pretty deep here. These lots look like 40, maybe by a little bit over 100. Wow, these are some pretty deep lots, believe it or not. However, you're gonna have your flight path right there. So it could be a little bit noisy. Some people don't mind it, some people don't like it, which is totally understandable. Now, they have a total of 67 lots available for sale, okay? Here's your main entryway right here. Man, it is a little bit hot today in Vegas. Let me take a look at your floor plans. So you have 3 different floor plans to choose from. So we're gonna start off with Plan 1. Now, Plan 1, actually Oakley. Now, the price, believe it or not, it is to be determined. They do not have a price, but you have an option, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage, and the square footage is 2,441 square feet. Now the cedar plan, which is the Plan 2, you have an option 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and it is 2,608 square feet. And then we have the Astor, which is the Plan 3, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath to 4 full baths, 2-car garage, and it is 2,567 square feet. Now, I want to go inside. I want to take a look. Okay, we're gonna do a sneak peek of what's going on. Should we go? Let's go to this one first. Kind of give you a general idea. Now, I do have the floor plans for this, and if you guys do want the floor plans, just let me know. I will be happy to email you the floor plans. Now, I'm literally getting my shoes dirty, my white shoes here, and this is for you guys. Now, Woodside Homes, you still have the option to pick the flooring or the floor plan. Then you also have the options. So I like this one. This is definitely nice and open. Looks like your kitchen is gonna go right there. All your counter space, and it looks like oh wow, this is interesting. They push this back so that way you have a full counter depth for your refrigerator. Love that. Here it takes you into your garage. Looks like your hood's gonna go here. And then we have our pantry. Let's go upstairs. See what we have upstairs here. Whew, it is hot today, guys. We have a loft area. Should be the laundry room. Pretty large laundry room. You've got your sink here. Washer and dryer is going to go here. Another bedroom. Here's your bathroom. Not bad for the layout for the floor plan here. Here's your primary walk-in shower. And they also did a tray ceiling here. All right. Now the release date on here, I was told it's going to be September 21st. But if you guys want to actually get on the list on this, I can get you literally first on the list. You just got to let me know. but obviously we would have to get you approved and all that stuff. Oh man, I gotta walk on the dirt, guys. Here we go. Oh, there goes my shoes. You see what I do for you guys? That's how much I love you guys. So this door is shut. Let's just go through the garage here. Now, one of the floor plans actually has a Casita. Now, pricing on here, I believe, because they don't have a price yet, everything's selling around $250 a square foot. So I'm thinking this is probably going to start off at the 600 range, believe it or not. Got the kitchen here. What's down over here? So it looks like this is just the primary here. They do have one with the Casita. I want to know where that one is at. It's probably the one down there. This is just the bathroom. Got the upstairs loft over here. Boom. We're not going to go there just yet. But I'm going to do a full video home tour on this one for sure. I mean, look at the mountain views. Gorgeous. Epic. Oh, and this one you have a service door, which is really nice. Texture is a little bit different on this one. So this one's a little bit smaller. This is, what's down here? Is this the one with the little Casita? Okay, so this one actually has a sink here. So this could be the one with the Casita. Again, I do have the floor plans on it. I just don't remember. But matter of fact, the floor plans are on here. Yeah, so this one is actually the Casita, as you can see. Come into here, you have your little sink. But you do have a lot of options that you can pick and choose from. So that's what I still like about Woodside Homes. You have that option. Now, I'm not going to go into the other model because those guys are still working on that one right now. But I mean, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Like I said, if you guys are interested in this and would like the floor plans, and unfortunately I don't have the price set, the builders don't have a set price, but you want to get in on the list, want to be the first to get one of these lots, it's always the best. Remember, I think there's only 67 lots available, so by the time they sell out, you know, you should be in an equity position. I can't guarantee that because the market could crash tomorrow. But let me know what you guys think. All right, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe yet to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you have any friends or family looking to purchase a home out here in Las Vegas, I definitely would love the opportunity to earn their business. All right, until next time, guys, I wish you guys nothing but the best. Be blessed. Peace. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.